Good evening, classmates. So today I will explain the Maranao tribe. Maranao tribe means people in the lake. The term Maranao is derived from the word Lanao, which refers to Lake Lanao, the largest lake in the Philippines located in the province of Lanao del Sur. They known for their artwork, weaving, wood, plastic, and metal crafts, and epic literature dinarangin. Maranao translates to mean people of the lake after their traditional territory in the area surrounding Lanao in the Bukidnon or the Lanao Plateau. Maranao is the largest Islamic group in the Philippines together with the Tausug and the Maguindanao. These are the three largest Islamic groups in our country. The Bukbaran or the Lake Lanao is what the Maranao people inhabited in Mindanao. It is the ancient lake in the world and the deepest and second largest in the Philippines. The lake is the Hope Range, which is located in the north-central Mindanao. So, diri sila Kapuyo, ang mga Maranao is the region Kapuyo or the region 8. Although nanasab sila sa lain parts sa Philippines, but originally they are inhabited in the Lake Lanao in Mindanao, Philippines. Next is language. Maranao is a Westernization language spoken by Maranao people in the province of Lanao del Sur and Lanao del Norte. Visual arts. The Serimano, also known as Papanok in its feminine form. It is a legendary bird of the Maranao people who originate from Mindanao and part of Philippine mythology. It comes from the word sari and manok. Sari means assorted or bound or used, while manok originally meant bird. The creature is a bird or chicken of assorted colors. Sari-manok serve as the symbol of Maranao people. It symbolizes fortune, good luck. In this Maranao keep in touch with this generation where new technology and modernization have been developed. But despite this modernization, they still observe most of their cultures. Subgroups still known are small Filipino Muslim group of cities between Lanao and Maguindanao. Iranon is the name prepared by the Sabahan Iranon, meaning longing for a certain place which they say conveys their love for their homeland. Religion. The Maranao are a splinter group within Mindanao who took up Islam. All families trace the religious origin to Sharif Kabunsuan, who introduced the religion in the area. Sharif Kabunsuan or Sharif Muhammad Kabunsuan is the first sultan in Mindanao. He is the one who introduced religion to the region. Next, the culture and tradition. Kanlaunga or courtship, undertaken through the matchmakers of twin persons exchange continually until there is an assurance on both sides about the details of the marriage. So it is the way of working which the boy is explain their purpose. So, ipaila-ila sa lalaki ang iyang self, ang iyang parents, asa siya gikan, o kung sa kaklase ang pamilya ang iyang gikabulungan. To assure na kayang urion sa lalaki ang babae. Kaya sa Maranao, mga babae is well protected. So, kasagaran na kapasarmilis na mga na-royal blood. Next is Takwe, reading proper. And preceded by the Kamitiara, a public recital by the Pananalisa of the lineages of both the bride's and the groom's families. So this is the formal wedding celebration. After nila ikasal is na sila mga rules and regulation. One of the rules is ang lalaki bawal inom or bawal nila kuhato ng mga elephant. So kung ang babae ang boy is nag-follow siya sa mga rules and regulations na siya rights na i-divorce ang lalaki. Because ang rules nila sa Islam is ang lalaki na apply rights na mag-divorce. Pero kung manibawa sa ilang leader o sa ilang katong-taasan na ang lalaki is non-follow is muhatag sila permission sa babae na mag-divorce sa lalaki o mamingi o bangko. Next is the Kalawgian or the rites of Hamasek. The rituals done, the bride chooses the place of the groom for the first time on the piso at the boss. Next, ritual. Pagana, this ritual is performed to seek blessings and protection from the spirits before starting any important endeavors such as building a house or planting of crops. So, imalas o ma-adapt kay Russia. Muna sa pagana ang tawaran nila sa inaka. Next is pamuntok. The ritual is performed during weddings and is meant to bring good fortune and blessing to the couple. So ang pamuntok is para siya blessing sa mga couple para sa usa ka dakang balod upon sa ila kaya na nila kay they are blessed. Next is pag-Islam. This ritual is conducted with a moral individual became to convert to Islam. Just like for example, sa ito, balik tao, hindi siya ni Christian, hindi ito balik ko, Katoliko. So they will make the ritual pag-Islam para you are totally converted into Catholic and pabalik ka dito pa into Islam para sa Catholic. Next is panantugan. This ritual is performed during funerals to honor the deceased. Like for example, sa pagkanta mga sundalo, di ba mga sundalo ay ilubog is pabutan sa muto. Kuan, kasi ilan pabutan to honor sa sundalo nga namatay. Muna yung buton. So next, this ritual is performed to celebrate the birth of a child. So ang pangaji ko sa ato pa ni is bunyag. Ang tawag nila sa ato bunyag kala pangaji. Next is the belief. Quran is the sacred scripture of Islam. So Quran is kung sa ato pa siya Holy Bible. Di ba kung kita nagatuto ang Holy Bible, nagatuto sila og Bible, pero ang tawag na sa ila is Quran. Next, the dollar equates or alimaunga. Marana. Alimaunga is the term used for lion. It occurs in traditional Marana folktales such as Ilandok and alimaunga, the mouse, deer, and the lion. It is also described in the Marana myth as one of the moon eaters. Di ba kita pa during nagatuot nga ining mag-eclipse is kanon sa ito?
Bakunawa.
Kanon sa
Bakunawa.
Bakunawa ang moon. So, kung kita nagatuot sa sila. So, next, haliman of the Marano believe that the ceremony will bring them good fortune, and if the spirits are pleased, they will have a wonderful harvest. So, na-explain na ko niya earlier. So, next is Kada Ulat Sami, invitation to the dead, a rite performed 7 days after death of Marano. So, next is God's livelihood or ways of living of Maranao. This is the fishing, metalworking, farming, and the carpentry. Next is the dances. Kapamalang-malong, also known as Sambi, is an elegant cultural dance that exemplifies different views of using malong. Kapamalang-malong is a traditional dance which i-perform siya during special occasions like wedding or occasional events. When they're performing di kapamalang-malong, pakita din kung saan paggamit ang malong like pag-lampi, etc. Mga for effects and royal honor are floating among the Marana people who live mainly around Lake Lanao. Singkil is one of the most famous royal dances of the Maranaos. Singkil is related siya sa story nga darangin. Singkil means, Singkil is a famous dance in Maranao. So, it is the kapamalang-malong, it is the pagapurga-pura, this is a Singkil. Next is a musical instrument. Kulinta is a modern term of an ancient instrumental form of music composed on an row of small horizontally functioned melodically accompanied by larger suspended gongs and drums. So this is the kulinta. Next is the dabakan, a single-headed floating drum primarily used as a supporting instrument in the kulintaking symbol. This is the dabakan. Next is the gandingan, is a set of 4 small narrow rings and suspended gongs. This is the gandingan. Next is the gandang, is a 2-headed silent drum drum. It is one of the primarily instruments used in the gamelan and symbols of Java. This is the gandang. Next is the costume. Malong. The malong is a large wrap around tubular garment measuring at least 165 times 165 centimeters. They are used by the Maranao and Maguindanao from southern Philippines. This is the malong. So, ang malong kung gamitan niya sa babae is dress. Dayon, kung sa lalaki is kanang over trouser, kanang lawlaw bitaw, muna siya lang ginasuot sa special occasions. Next, food. The Filipino rice dish cooked with turmeric, lemongrass, salt, bay leaves, and other spices to taste. It originates from the island of Mindanao and is a staple food among the Marano people of Lanao del Sur. Kuning, it symbolizes good fortune and prosperity, wealth, and integrity. Next is Dudol de Lanao del Norte, and it is one of the most staple snack in the province. This hearty snack is made of sticky rice, flour, milk, and jaggery of traditional roll. So, Dudol is a traditional food in Mindanao. Next is Palapa. This is a condiment that is made up of ginger, coconut, onions, garlic, salt, and sauerkraut, a type of shallot that grows in polar mountain regions. This is the Palapa. Next is the healing or herbal medicine. Ano na Moricata guyabano? Help cure cancer, psoriasis, high blood pressure, stomach acidity, urination difficulty, cough, headache, or diabetes. So, ang ano na Moricata is, paano siya? Murag laban na siya.
Laban na siya.
Dili mo laban na. Next is Lumia balsamifera sambong. Use an herbal treatment for the common cold as a diabetic. Paano siya ka ng handilipon kung sa ato apa. Kinospora crispa pitaway. Diabetes, hypertension, circulation, and appetite and protection from mosquito. Next is the tribal burial. The corpse is clean and wrapped in a white cloth. It is then buried in a 13 grave about 1.8 meters deep. Kabalo pa mga ng white cloth ang gamit sa ilang burial because it symbolizes the day of standing by Allah
Masakas langit.
before.
Muasen sa langit.
Ang madrasa, schools stressing the reading of the Quran, stands in every community, built with community fund, sometimes with additional money from Arab countries. Suspicious of English language schools as institutions for Christianization. Maranao initially avoided them. Nowadays, however, parents send their children to such schools, often making great sacrifices to do so. Formal education used to be so rare that families celebrated graduation very lavishly. Consideration of family prestige exert high pressure in individuals to obtain degrees. Degree holders are so numerous that many cannot obtain appropriate employment, and many more now have obtained degrees in Middle Eastern Islamic universities which qualifies them to teach in madrasa. That's all for today. Thank you.